Want to replace your fridge thermostat? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new thermostat, a socket spanner, and a screwdriver. Step 1. Loosen the thermostat's knob. The thermostat is directly connected to the thermostat knob. The thermostat knob can be loosened with a screwdriver. After the knob is loose, a small nut will appear. Unscrew this one. Step 2. Remove the thermostat from the housing. Remove the thermostat from the housing by first disconnecting the wiring. The long end of the thermostat is the metal cord. This runs into the fridge. Pull this all the way out. Step 3. Place the new thermostat in the right place. Unroll the long wire all the way and put it inside the fridge, where the old end just came out. Step 4. Insert the new thermostat back into the housing. Place the thermostat in the right place in the housing. Fasten the wiring and tighten the nut. Afterwards, place the overall housing back in the right place. Then retighten the housing screws. You have replaced the thermostat and the fridge is ready to use again.